Diorgang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I'm Raven, and today I'm going to be doing this really beautiful Cher inspired makeup look. But before we get into the video, if you haven't already, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So over the weekend I got some inspiration. It was, I believe, Cher's birthday, so happy belated birthday to Cher. And in honor of her birthday, I decided to just look up some old pictures of Cher, and I said to myself, you know, I really love her style and how everything she wore was a statement. So why not create a really nice look inspired by her? So when I was searching for pictures, I ended up finding this old picture of her, and I was like, this is definitely something that I really want to recreate. So I'm not going to do the look exactly like hers, but it's inspired by this look, so it's gonna have my own little twist to it. So enough chit chat, let's get right into it. Today, to prime the face, I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Infallible Glow Lock Primer. Next for this look, I'm gonna be taking my Clarins brow gel. I'm gonna be doing more of like a feathered brow look. And what I'm gonna do is just begin to brush my brows in an upward direction. I'm not gonna leave them completely feathered, but I'm just gonna do some of it like that, because I feel like that just gives it a nice little touch. That's done, I'm just going to slightly fill in my brow with my NYX eyebrow pencil in Espresso. I'm just gonna add a little to the front, very little, and then just kind of make that line a little more defined on the bottom. I'm not going to do anything to the top. I just want a really nice defined brow. Now that that's done, today I'm going to be using my Milani 2-in-1 Perfect Conceal Foundation, but I'm going to be using this just as an eye base for my lids. I really want to get a nice paint pot from MAC, but I really need to just find the time to buy one. So in the meantime, I'm gonna use this. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this flat brush and just go right beneath the brows so the brows are nice and defined. And I'm just gonna work my way down. Today I'm going to be using the Maybelline New York Matte Far Palette. I'm going to be using this really smoky brown. It's called Gridlock. I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to use this to create that crease. So what I'm going to do is just coat the brush in the eyeshadow, tap off the brush, follow near my brow bone. So my brow bone is right here. And I'm just gonna make sure that the line is beneath that brow bone. So it's really all about the placement. So you can kind of just play with it and draw it wherever you feel it fits best. And then when you need to make some corrections, you can just get some micellar water and a Q-tip and clean it up. Would have been better if I had the pointed Q-tips, but I'm just gonna show you guys how I would go about that. So for example, I feel like the placement here is perfect. The placement here is a little wonky, so I'm just gonna clean up the part that I feel like doesn't really go with the look, and then clean up right here. You don't really have to worry so much about beneath it because I'm going to clean that up with a foundation anyway. Now that that's done, I'm just gonna go back in with the foundation and place it back again. Now that I have the placement, what I'm gonna do is just kind of smoke this out a little bit so that this doesn't appear like this is like it's a harsh line, because I'm gonna rebuild this line again with a deeper color. Now that that's done, I'm gonna go back in again with this black pencil and just recreate the line and lightly shade. Now that that's done, I'm gonna take a little bit of this shade and just place it onto the lid. Now that that's done, I'm going to be using my NYX Super Skinny eyeliner, and I'm going to do a really thin line on my lash line. So before I apply mascara today, I'm going to be using this lash curler. Today for the mascara, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Air Volume Mascara. For foundation, I'm going to go ahead and use my L'Oreal True Match. I really like this foundation because it's just very lightweight and skin-like. Even though this is such a bold eye, I still want very soft skin. Now for my favorite part, I'm gonna be doing like a really pretty brown glittery lip with this look. I thought it would be a nice little touch. So I'm going to be using my NYX liner in Urban Cafe. I used this in the other video that I just did. I really like brown lip. Then I'm going to be using my NYX Striptease lip gloss in the shade Beyond Basic. This is like a copper glitter. So to apply it, I'm going to be using this little disposable lip applicator. And I'm really hoping that this doesn't mess up the look, because I just want the sparkle. Oh my god, this looks so pretty. I'm so excited. I really love how this lip came out. I feel like this lip is super fun. It's a bit bold, but I think it's a really fun way to spice up your look. I really want to try this in another color. Maybe do like a red or something. So I decided to go ahead with the Lily Lashes by Kiss. I feel like these are better because they're not too long. I really don't want to take away from the look in itself because there's a lot going on. There's glittery lips, there's feathered brows, and there is a, you know, cut crease. So that is about as dramatic as I need to get for this look. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply these. So this brings us to the end of the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and I hope you like how the look came out. This was just something that I wanted to do for fun and kind of just experiment that type of vibe on me. But I hope you guys recreate this look, and like I said in the beginning, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, see you guys next time.